everyone, I am CS Fatima Kagalwala, and in this video we are going to discuss the role of a company secretary in India. We are regarded as a compliance officers of a given corporate organization. We play a very important role where we are the face between the company and other regulatory authorities and their employees, their shareholders, government authorities, etc. Coming to the crucial role of company secretary as what we are discussing, it is the law itself which recognizes our scope. So Companies Act 2013 clearly mentions under section 2 subsection 51 that we are the ones who are key managerial personnel of a given corporate. And all the listed companies along with those companies who has paid up capital of more than 10 CR, it is compulsory for them to appoint a company secretary on the board. Also, the secretarial audit can be done only by a qualified company secretary. So you see the scope itself is the one which is given by law. And SEBI LODR regulations, wherein a company secretary only can be a compliance officer of a listed company. Now, looking at this law provisions, we as company secretary can make our career into various fields. Some important career roles of a company secretary are compliance heads, wherein we take care of the entire compliance of that corporate. We can be the part of the mergers and amalgamation leads, coordinate that, and also lead an IPO of a company which is coming first time to the public, IPO listing with the stock exchanges and the other shareholder communications which were required for an IPO listing. So looking at this role, what is the average salary of a CS in India is a widely asked question. Okay, so here the entry level after you finish your internship and you have already qualified as a company secretary, then the approximate salary is in a range between 4 lakhs to 8 lakhs per annum. Then you have a mid-career wherein it will be anywhere between 8 to 15 lakhs, and there is a senior level wherein you are at a senior level of the legal department or the compliance department, and there it can be 20 lakhs and more, which exceeds 20 lakhs in fact per annum. However, with the expertise and experience of the industry which you have into now, as a company secretary, there are salaries which are more than 5 crores also in India. Okay, so looking at this indispensable role of a company secretary, we understand that our role as a professional is very crucial for the corporate world, for a corporate organization. So let me know if you have any questions further to ask on to how to go ahead and become a company secretary, what any other questions or any other such videos which you require from my end. Any questions, I am here to help. Thank you so much. Bye.